my Nivea Men Post Shave Balm as my primer. And then jumping into foundation, I'm using my L'Oreal True Match and mixing it with my Frankie Rose Matte Perfection foundation on the back of my hand and stippling all of that in with my Real Techniques sponge. And for a little bit of color correcting, I'm going in with my Youngblood Concealer Duo and just taking the yellow shade, I'm just focusing that where I mainly get dark circles, just to brighten that area before I go in with concealer. And after blending all of that out, I'm going in with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC20. And this is more for brightening. And I'm putting that under my eyes and a little bit on my chin and then blending all of that out with my Beauty Blender. And just for a little more highlight, I added my MAC Prep and Prime concealer in the color medium just to the highest points of my face. And for that dewy look, I'm going in with my Sunbeam from Benefit and just putting that on the tops of my cheekbones just for an added glow. To set my face today, I'm using the RCMA No Color Powder, and I'm doing a little bit of baking under my eyes and only in the center of my face. After I've let that sit for a few minutes, I'm going to dust it all off before moving on to eyes. Moving on to eyes, I'm going to be using the Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette by Zoeva. And I'm taking the color Freshly Toasted and I am just buffing this pretty much all over the lid, but mainly in the crease area. And sort of winging it out on the outer parts of my eye to give it that cat eye shape. And then I'm going in with Pure Ganache. It's a really pretty shimmery gold color and I'm putting that all over my lid. And to deepen the outer parts of my eye, I'm just going in with Makeup Geek Bitten eyeshadow and I'm focusing this on the outer corner of my eye. To make sure there's no harsh lines, I'm just going in with a clean fluffy crease brush and just blending out all the edges. All the brushes that I'm using for this eye look are part of the Rose Golden Complete Eye Set from Zoeva. And next I'm taking Makeup Geek Bitten and Freshly Toasted and just buffing those two colors under my eyes and adding a white eyeliner from MAC just in my waterline to brighten up my eyes. And then I'm tightlining with Makeup Geek Corrupt. It's just a black eyeshadow. This is just to help the lash band blend a little bit better. Next I'm going in with my favorite mascara at the moment, which is the MAC Pro Beyond Twisted Lash. I just love how it separates and lengthens my lashes, especially for the bottom lashes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my false lashes off camera. I don't remember where these lashes are from, but if I find it, I will list it down below. And lastly, I'm going in with Makeup Geek Shimma Shimma eyeshadow to highlight the inner corners of my eye as well as my brow bone and the bridge of my nose and Cupid's bow. For my contour today, I'm using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. I use this stuff almost every day. I love how cool toned the bronzer is. It's perfect for bronzing up your face. And to go along with the warm tones of this makeup look, I chose a very peachy, warm, sort of corally shade blush. This is Swiss Dot blush from The Balm. I'm just applying that on the apples of my cheeks. For my highlighter, I'm going in with Mary Luminizer by The Balm. Girl, this highlighter, look at that glow. I'm obsessed with it. And I'm just putting it on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and right above my eyebrows. And lastly, for lips, I'm using my MAC Strip Down Lip Pencil to line my lips. And to top it all off, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier lipstick. I don't remember the name of this, but I will list it down below, as well as everything else I used in this tutorial. Lastly, I'm topping that off with my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. It's my favorite nude at the moment. And that completes this makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any requests on what looks I should film next, please leave them in the comments below and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you.